May it be a light for you in dark places when all other lights go out.
Hello, you good folks out there in the tube of you. How are you all doing today? Today we're taking a look at this Speras EST SE flashlight. As you can see, this is a 1500 lumen flashlight with 326 meters of throw. Now, I live out on a dark homestead way out in the country, and I tested this thing at night, and this has incredible performance. I will link that into the video, or I actually will show that in the video here in just a minute after I run through the specs. But the performance of this thing is just unbelievable. For a light of this size, it is completely unbelievable. When I was in the Army back at the end of the Cold War era, we had the mini mag lights were the new hotness. And I think they were like 50 lumens, and they were probably twice the size of this. So just amazing. Like modern flashlights, of all the technological advances in the world, they're the ones that really just blow me away the most. Just how powerful they are. But this little guy is a 14500 rechargeable battery. Right here. Now there's no recharging port. You have to take it out and put it in a little charging station, but it does allow you to swap a spare in immediately, which is always a very nice feature. Really, the only negative thing I could say about this this light is the clip is a little on the flimsy side. So if you do get this, it's about $35 on Amazon. If you do get this, put a better pocket clip on it, because that's really my only negative. I mean, the performance and all that is just overwhelming. It's an aluminum body, IP68, like the highest rating. I mean, you can literally play Navy SEAL with this guy. These are full-fledged frontline combat military specifications for this thing. It's unbelievable. LED is a luminous SFT25R. The tail cap shows the charging level when you turn it off. It has multiple modes. They're very easy to use. I'll show them here right now. But first, the dimensions are 93 millimeters in length, 19 millimeter diameter tube. So, not even, I mean, unbelievable. It's like 3/4 of an inch diameter. Just unbelievable. And the output, also unbelievable. Okay, so this is very easy to use. Soft push turns the light on. Then you push it in all the way, and you have your strobe release. If you tap, that turns it to constant on, and then if you hold it down while it's on, it cycles through the modes. Okay, now normally when you turn it on, or you hit your half press, you're always going to be at turbo, but if you do a double click, it turns you on at moonlight. So you don't always have to turn on max power, but super versatile, very easy to use, incredibly powerful. Now let's get out here and look at this thing tonight. Hello folks, we are out here on my homestead. As you can see, it is completely pitch black. It's a cloudy night, very few stars in the sky, and we are going to test out this Speras EST SE flashlight. And as you are about to see here, the performance is out of this world. $1,500 lumens, and I will say actually really high candela. You get it turned on. There we go. It's still new, so the switch is a little stiff. But if you see, we could shine down here into the woods, you can see like 50, 60 yards into deep, thick woods. Shining down here. In fact, I just saw a deer bedding down in my woods, and I disturbed her. She was down for the night, and this lit her eyes up like neon signs. So incredibly high performance. Now this does get warm. I mean, you're throwing a massive amount of power on here, but the body of it is actually like fluted, like an old World War I machine gun or something like that. So it actually has a lot of heat sink capability, I suppose, a lot of surface area. And you can see after about a minute, the turbo does go down, but it's still very bright. This here looks to me around, I don't know, 750, 800 lumens after the turbo kicks off. So let's turn it off. Back on the turbo. Wow, just awesome. Awesome performance. Now, on a tiny little tactical light like this, you want that maximum throw and brightness right off the bat. You know, somebody tries to jump you or mug you, something like that. In fact, you could see here all these glowing lights. I don't know if you could see them, but there's spiders all over on the ground. And you could see their eyes glowing back at you. It's really cool. You're out here at night on my homestead with a bright light, and you can see them all over the place, like big wolf spiders. It's really cool. But this, my friends, like that building over there, you could see that it has its own ambient lighting. From where I am here, that's probably 175 yards. And you could see that actually significantly lights it up more than the natural lighting. I mean, this has legitimately long range, and my performance with my naked eye actually greatly outperforms my camera. This is an incredibly impressive light. All right, folks, let's head back inside. Okay, folks, so you saw the performance of this thing at night, and it's unbelievable. It is unbelievable that you can have this much power in this little package. Right in the palm of your hand. Is just unbelievable. This thing is tiny. I am a flashlight aficionado. I love them. I do tons of flashlight reviews, you know, wedge style, duty style, handheld, the whole 9 yards, and these little pocket lights. And this is, previous to this, the most powerful pocket light I have tested. This style is 1,000 lumens, so this blows that away. And it's IP68, and it's a 2-meter drop rating, and it's aluminum body, and you got multiple modes. I mean, this thing is really cutting edge, state of the art, and it's 35 bucks on Amazon. It's unbelievable. So definitely check these guys out, folks. This is a really nice light. If you get it, I am absolutely positive that you will like it. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Free My Me out.